Right, so now we are looking at another, sorry, let me just get the right spot. Oh, for goodness sake. Okay, so we're looking at another problem-solving application question. An online bookstore sells a certain book for $21 and charges $10 for the delivery for any number of books. Okay, so under rule connecting the cost, so they're telling you that the cost is C with the number of books delivered, which is N. So let's work out one book is going to be 21 bucks and then the delivery is going to be 10. Okay. You have two books, you're going to have two lots of 21 and the delivery is going to be 10, so that'll give you 52. So what you've got to do now is make a table. You only have to do about 3 or 4, but just remember to always include 0. So my table, if you look at it, I've got N on the top, because that's the number of books, 0, 1, 2, and 3. That's more than enough, okay? Do 4 altogether, that would be fine. Then I know that if I buy one book, it's going to be $31. We worked out if it was going to be 2 books, it would be $52. We know if we buy no books, the delivery charge will just be $10. And then I just did an extra 1. So what you do next is what we did the last time, check if your change is constant. So between 10 and 31, you had to add 21. Between 31 and 52, you had to add 21. And then between 52 and 73, you had to add 21. Therefore, straight away, what is our gradient? Our gradient is going to be 21. Our formula, though, is slightly different because they've given us the pronumerals. So C would normally be Y. M is there because that's our gradient. N is the number of books, and C is our y-intercept. Okay, so we now know what our gradient is, so we can change that. So substitute the gradient in the formula. So now you've got C equals 21N plus C. Right, obviously you know now. We now need to find out what our y-intercept is. So N is 0 and C equals 10. So therefore we know straight away the value of our y-intercept is 10. So we can change, and we've got C is equal to 21N plus 10. Therefore, we've answered the rule. Okay. Let's look at the next question. It says, use the rule to find the cost of delivering 35 books. So what's our rule? Our rule is the cost is equal to 21 times however many books we get plus 10. So we've got 35 books. So we've got to say 21 times 35 plus 10. So 21 plus times 35 is 735. Add 10, we've got 745. The cost of delivering the books for 35 of delivery, let's try that again. The cost including delivery for 35 books is $745. If you want, you can just put the cost will be $745. Answer it in words because the question was in words. C, how many books can be delivered for $1,000? So now we've just got to redo our equation. So we've got the cost here is equal to 21 books times however many books you get plus 10. So put the 1,000 in the cost section. We've got equals 21N plus 10. Now, you know the normal story. We want to try and work out what N is. So we need to try and get rid of everything around the 21N. So first thing we're going to get rid of is that 10. So how do we do that? We say take 10, and because we do it on this side, we do it on that side. So therefore, we've got 990 is equal to 21N. How do we get rid of our 21? We divide both numbers by 21. So 990 divided by 21, and that gives you 47.14 is equal to N. Our answer will be for $1,000, 47 books can be bought and delivered, because obviously you can't get 1.4 of a book. And that is how we do it. So use all of this, and let's see if you can show me how clever you are.